Welcome to London Kids Academy.
Five little chicks so fluffy and bright woke up early in the morning light. They chirped and peeped, let's go explore. Flapped tiny wings and ran out the door. First chick found a meadow so green. Butterflies danced, what a lovely scene. The second chick spied a bubbling brook. Splashed in the water, come take a look. The third chick climbed a hill so high and waved to the clouds drifting in the sky. The fourth chick giggled under tall pine trees, listening to whispers in the gentle breeze. Fifth chick said, what a magical day. Adventure and friendship light our way. As the sun set low, they hurried back home, their hearts full of stories from where they'd roamed. Five little chicks snuggled in the hay, dreaming of adventures for another day.